Hello. Okay, this is me.
Let
The
me
person
watch the
behind
ball.
the camera in the first video. So, as you can see, my dad just showed me how you can make scrambled eggs in the microwave. My mom was a doubter, but it did. Okay, so this is what we did to test it out, so I could see if it's actually material for you guys. So, now we're actually going to do it. Okay, microwave. So, first you're going to need the bowl that he's washing from which we did the first time. So, now we're going to get the eggs. Eggs. This is like an easy way. If you know, I know how you can cook eggs quickly. I know, but still, if you want to be even quicker.
You want me to hold the camera for you?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have our eggs. Okay, so get this one back. So now what you want to do is crack it. There we go. No shells. That is wonderful. Okay, so now where's the fork? You have to.
My baby is a chef.
Okay.
I'm fucking out.
So you got a fork. I don't know how to mix it like this, like really quick, so I'm just starting. It's gonna be the same product. Yep. And we're not gonna cut the camera off, just to prove that it actually did. So we got that. Now we got your butter. I don't know why we have a big old container of butter. We got butter. This is probably good enough here. Drop it in there. Mix it a little. Spread it out. Get all the butter.
And if you want salt and pepper, you can put salt and pepper also.
Yes, so in this one we're just going to put salt and pepper because that did that one.
Okay.
So, put a little bit of pepper. That's my way. And then put a little bit of salt. Okay. This is what it looks like before we put it in the microwave. And so we're going to press this 5 times. 30 seconds, 5 times. 5. Okay. So now we're going to wait for that to cook. And we're going to have this. It would be better if we had music. He got scared. It made a noise and we got scared. It did not do that with the other one. Oh, it's forming. It did not make noise with the other one. I don't think this was working. Last time we both made it. So I don't know if I did something wrong. It was the same exact recipe as before. But this is, and you can tell how it's in the little bowl that we use because it has the same shape. And you can tell we picked it up with the fork and made a hole. So, oh, John, what's happening? Oh, you see the egg forming a little.
I think if it's one egg, you two people, you can put it on within a minute and a half or 2 minutes, it'll be done.
Okay.
So Kristen is going to check it for you.
Yeah, so we're just going to experiment to show all you peoples that's been watching my videos. Shout out. Thanks for the love and support.
I'm going to do my wheelchair dance.
Wheelchair. Oh, gosh. That is not a wheelchair. That is not a wheelchair. Oh, God. Please do not hate on my daddy. He does not know how to dance. Okay. We're going to show you how it's made. Let me show you. Okay. I'm going to show him how to floss.
Huh?
Okay. Stop it. Okay. We're stopping it at 40 seconds. Well, 37. How do you open this up? Ooh, this is interesting. Yes. Okay, so let me get the towel. Take it out. Okay, you guys can't see. You guys can't see until we take it out. Awesome. This is crazy. Is it done? Yup, it's done. It kind of looks like how you would do it in a pan, but not that, like a pan, not really. But, yep, this is how you make scrambled eggs in a bowl. It's crazy. Like this one. Flip it over. Well, this one kind of, we didn't do this one right. Yes. It kind of got hard because it got cold and yeah. This one's warm. Yeah, so it's not gonna explode your microwave. But kids, having adults around like I had my dad. As if you watch this. So, yes, you still want to have an adult around because you heard the noise. You might not do it right because I thought we didn't do it right. But hopefully with this video, you'll see that you can cook eggs in the microwave. Show all those naysayers. Yeah, like my mom who said nay. So, signing off. Let me go get my dad.
Kristen, you're making a commercial.
Commercial? It's a YouTube video. He does not understand for some reason. Look at it. I know. That's even better than the other one.
Oh.
Look at it. No, I just want to see your reaction.
Oh.
You like it?
Yes.
It's better than that one.
Lovely.
Yes, I'm still not eating it.
Me neither.
But
You just had to
we'll
do a
eat
demonstration.
it. Well, no, we're actually going to eat it so we can show them how it actually tastes.
Okay.
So, yeah. If you make it, wait, no, that top of that one's gonna turn cold. This one's cold.
Okay.
Yeah, so you gotta eat it fast. Yes, so put it in the plate. Now,
And
we are going to taste it.
do you want to do one for your commercial with cheese in it?
Commercial. This is a YouTube video.
Oh.
Okay, so we're going to take this, cut it in half, and then put it on separate plates so we can both have it. And he broke it. He broke it. Now we have to get another fork. Wow.
And a knife.
And a knife. A knife would be better. We need 2 forks and a knife. I don't know why we have all these plastic knives. Okay. Well, that's a steak knife. You don't have any, like, butter knives? This dude does not have any butter knives?
Right here.
Oh. I was like, this is a steak knife. I don't think that's going to work. So just take that back.
Okay.
And I'll use this one. Okay. This is what a cold one looks like. It's hard, really. And then this is what a warm one looks like. It's much better. So I'm just gonna cut that through the middle. And I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, why am I cutting this like this? I need 4. Okay, so I want the smaller half. You've had this before. What are you doing? Okay, so show you my dad. He is going to take a bite. How do you cut this? He's like, he really wants this. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Hey. It's good? You're so weird. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me have a touch right here.
Yeah, cut it. Hold it, Kristen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, hold the camera. Hold the camera.
Wish her luck. Not bad.
Not bad. Pretty good. And he's dancing with my phone. What are you doing? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! That does not like a wheelchair. That does not look like a wheelchair
You
there.
want some lemonade?
No, I will not take your lemonade because your lemonades taste like straight up lemon.
Let me get some.
Oh my god. That tastes like straight up lemon, and look how much he got. That's not even lemonade. That's just straight up lemon. Okay. Yeah, it's tart. That's what he did when I was tickling him. Oh my gosh. So, thank you for watching. Tune in for next video. I don't know what I'm going to post. Hopefully soon I'll have a schedule. Yeah. So please like and subscribe for more videos. Hopefully come soon.
Peace out.
Peace out.